Welcome, junior friends! Get ready for an epic showdown in the sandbox as farm animals face off against wild animals in a muddy expedition. This thrilling adventure offers kids the opportunity to learn about the differences between farm and wild animals while engaging in hands-on play and exploration. Meet the friendly farm animals including cows, chickens, pigs, and sheep. Let's kick off the video. Through the eyes of bears. Bears have strong claws and teeth while they are primarily adapted for their omnivorous diet. They can be formidable when defending themselves. Many bear species are listed as threatened or endangered. The life of a puma in the wild. They are known for their stealth and agility, able to silently stalk their prey before launching a powerful ambush. Unlike lions, pumas do not roar. Mysteries of the wolf territories. Wolves typically live around 6 to 8 years, although some individuals have been known to live longer. In captivity, they may live longer, with lifespans of up to 15 years. The marvels of cheetahs. Cheetahs primarily inhabit open grassland and savannas. As their speed is better suited for chasing down prey in these areas, they are found in parts of Africa, the alligator's role in wetland. Alligators are ectothermic, meaning their body temperature is dependent on the external environment. They bask in the sun to regulate their body temperature and become more active in warmer conditions. Unraveling the tale of white tigers. White tigers, like their orange counterparts, are native to the Indian subcontinent. They inhabit a variety of environments, including grassland, mangrove swamps, and dense forest. The life and times of tigers. Tigers are easily recognizable by their distinctive orange coat with black stripes. The pattern of stripes is unique to each individual, and their undersides are white. Creature feature Lioness. Lionesses, along with the dominant male, work together to defend the prized territory against intruders. Lionesses are adaptable and can live in a variety of habitats, including grassland, Let's explore the polar bear. Polar bears are strong swimmers and can swim for long distances. They use their front paws to paddle and their hind legs for propulsion. They are known to swim across large expanses through the eyes of a black bear. Black bears are known for hibernating during the winter months. However, the extent and duration of their hibernation can vary based on factors like local climate and food availability. Untold tales of the powerful lion. Lions are primarily nocturnal, meaning they are most active during the night. They rest for up to 20 hours a day, conserving energy for hunting. Despite their size, Chronicles and Survival of Tiger Tale. Tigers are the largest cat species in the world, with the Siberian or Abo tiger being the largest subspecies, weighing up to 660 pounds 300 kilograms. Tigers are apex predators, meaning they are at the top of the food chain in their ecosystems. Their roar can be heard up to 3 miles away. Threats of life in zebra. Zebras face threats from predators such as lions, hyenas, and crocodiles. Additionally, habitat loss and competition for resources with domestic livestock. The secret lives of cats. Cats are territorial animals and they mark their territory by rubbing their scent glands on objects. This behavior is a way for them to claim ownership and feel secure in their environment. Quirks and charms of hamster. Hamsters have continuously growing incisor teeth, chewing on various objects, including food and specially designed chew toys, helps them keep their teeth at a healthy length. Extraordinary story of sheep. Sheep are found all over the world and are raised for various purposes in different climates and environments. One of the primary reasons humans domesticated sheep was for their wool. The melody of geese calls. Geese are known for being protective parents and they will fiercely defend their goslings from potential threats, including predators and humans. In the wild, geese can live up to 20 years or more. Care and connection of rabbit. While rabbits can be active during the day, they are crepuscular, which means they are most active during dawn and dusk. Rabbits are known for their high reproduction rate. Secrets of the camel kingdom. Camels can drink large amounts of water in one go when it's available, storing it in their bloodstream. They are capable of surviving for long periods without water. Harmony of life with moose. While moose are large and powerful, they do have natural predators, including wolves and bears. However, adult moose are formidable and can defend themselves effectively. The timeless beauty of horses. A horse's hooves are made of keratin, the same protein found in human hair and nails. Regular hoof care, including trimming and shoeing, is critical for their overall health. The fascinating lives of goats. Goats are known for being browsers, which means they prefer to eat leaves, shrubs, and vines rather than grass. However, they are quite adaptable and can eat a variety of vegetation. Discovering giraffes in the wild. Giraffes are herbivores, primarily feeding on leaves, fruits, and flowers. Giraffes have long tongues which can measure up to 45 centimeters 18 inches. In the realm of reptiles, snakes shed their skin periodically as they grow. This process is called ecdysis or molting. Young snakes may shed every few weeks. Some snakes can live for several decades. Time to explore the lost animal, cow. Cows are social animals and often form close bonds with other members of their herd. They can become stressed if they are separated from their companions. Cows spend a significant amount of their time grazing on grass. Thank you for spending your time Farm Animals vs Wild Animals Muddy Expedition in Sandbox for Kids episode. Subscribe now for an exciting Farm Animals vs Wild Animals Muddy Expedition in the Sandbox. Let's explore, play and learn together in this epic adventure. Don't miss out on future muddy adventures. Goodbye, young adventurers!